Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download investor documents signing with Adobe Acrobat Sign, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Adobe Acrobat Sign website. Log into your Adobe Acrobat Sign account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see your documents. Look for the option to create a new document or upload an existing one. Select the document that you want investors to sign. After selecting the document, click on the Send for Signatures button. In the recipient field, enter the email addresses of the investors. Make sure to customize the message if needed to provide context to the recipients. Next, click on Add Signature fields to specify where the investors need to sign. Drag and drop the signature fields to the desired locations on the document. You can also add date fields, initials, and other necessary fields for the investors. Once you have placed all the required fields, review the document to ensure everything is accurate. After confirming that the document is ready, click on the Send button to initiate the signing process. The investors will receive an email notification prompting them to review and sign the document. As the signers complete their actions, you will receive notifications in your account. You can track the document's signing status through your dashboard in real time. Once all investors have signed, you will receive a final signed copy of the document. You can then download the signed document from your Adobe Acrobat Sign account. Click on the Completed tab to find the finished document. Select the document and click on the Download option to save it to your device. Now, you have successfully downloaded the investor document with Adobe Acrobat Sign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.